MoneyGram has become one of the fastest and most reliable ways to send money internationally, especially when you need to send to Africa using MoneyGram app. All you need is to download the app, register with your email and mobile number, and link your payment method such as debit card, credit card, or bank account.
Open the MoneyGram app and sign in. Select Send Money and choose the destination country in Africa.
Enter recipient details and amount.
Yeah.
Select delivery option, cash pickup, bank deposit, or mobile wallet.
Yeah.
Confirm payment and track the transfer in real time. Options. Choose off-peak hours. Sending money late at night or early morning often reduces delays, ensuring faster delivery. Use local currency estimates. Always check exchange rates inside the app before confirming, as rates can fluctuate. Activate real-time alerts.
Cross-check agent hours in Africa. Verify the agent's working hours through the app's locator feature.
You can explore details on MoneyGram.com or check country-specific availability on ng.moneygram.com. Start